Hi, Professor. My name is Sudeep Chandra Gaduputi, and this is my project 2 demonstration. When the gate lock is on, press power on and start the process. The first function I did is for the feed part, uh, feed part stack for fault. So I made it automated. So if the parts reaches below this and it does not reach stock, or the process takes longer than 10 seconds for the part to reach here, then the part for feed fault turns on, which is gray TPP light, and it clears off when the part comes here. And the next function I did, I added timers for the horizontal retraction and vertical retraction so that I can delay it if I want by increasing the time. Right now I set it as 250 milliseconds so that it won't delay the process. And for the third I did for the third function I did is for the fault if the pallet stays at the second stop for more than 20 seconds so that we can see it will indicate a fault if there's something wrong with the second pallet stop and the pallet stucks there. It also indicates fault if the pallet stays here for more than 10 seconds. In both of these conditions, this yellow light in the touch panel, uh, it blinks on and off continuously. Then when the pallet crosses this or the pallet crosses this, then it clears off. And I also calculated the part height, so whenever it crosses here, the part height is updated here. And it also calculates the part average height by using the sum of the parts, the current part and previous part, and also it keeps track of all the parts heights and make the sum. And also number of parts passes, it is stored here in int1. It takes that and makes an average and stores it here. Now I also converted the 0 to 10 volts to psi and stored it here. As you can see, I delayed it using timers so that the press takes required amount of required amount of pressure so that it comes around 110 to 120 psi and it is stored here. And this is cycle time. It stores the time in seconds for like how often a part comes here, so it takes around 8 to 9 seconds. And this here I set it as 50 and used a countdown function, and when it reaches 0, these lights turn on. It indicates that shift is over and the quota is reached. And if you want to reset it, you just have to press the this one. As you can see, it goes back to 50. And if for the number of presses, it is stored here, and when it reaches 400, which is preset, it will turn on the light here showing that it's time for the maintenance for the press. And when we press this after the maintenance, it goes back to 0, and a part was here, so it it is 1 right now. um that's it. If the process delayed, here the lights on for here and here. That's all, Professor. Thank you.